Welcome in guys, I'm Josh, a web designer, and today I'm going to show you how to make this video mask. So what a video mask is, simply a video that shines through the text you have on. Now, I'm going to provide everything for you here. All you have to do is follow along. Now, this effect here is part of a larger website I'm making for you guys on YouTube. Everything that you see here, I'm going to release completely as a follow along for free. Last time I did these 3D flip cards here, so if you want that, go ahead and watch part 1. Again, if you do like what you see, please consider dropping a like and a sub, and let's get into the video. First things first, I am using the free version of Elementor for this, so don't worry, you don't need Pro for this. So let's go ahead and delete our section then. Let's build it together. First things first, let's go ahead, click the plus icon for add new container, click Flexbox, and then select the vertical arrow there. Now I'm going to set the minimum height on the left hand side panel to a view height of 80 for now. Just going to make sure the justify content is set to center as well, and that I'm choosing full width, and I'm just going to leave this as it is right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click style and then click on video. Now I'm going to leave video as it is like this. In the advanced tab, I'm just going to remove the link values together on both of these, on padding and margin, and align self to center right here. Next, simply I'm going to click the little plus icon in the middle and then go ahead and add a heading here. Now you've got to style this to how you want to look when the video shines through. So for this, I've centered it on alignment. I'm going to choose a really basic font and Arial and go to 900 black. As a font size, I'm going to go for some big like 100, and on letter spacing, make it about a -5 right there. With the text color, I'm just going to make it black, and now I'm going to enter my text here. So how I got to sit it on 2 lines was if you just type in a line break, it's going to sit but on the line below. This next step, all you've got to do is head to where your media is. So if you go to media and then upload file, and then go ahead and select the video that I've included in the package. Now keep this tab up and then go back to the page where you're making the website. And right here, I'm going to click the little plus icon and type in HTML. Now with this widget, all you've got to do is copy the code that I've already made for you right here, and it's going to do the job perfectly. And you want to drag the HTML in the order before the heading, which means now we can go back to the heading, and now we're going to give the margin here for our heading a -485. Right, and at this stage you just need to do one final thing to get the mask to actually work. So if you go back to your HTML here that you've pasted in, you're going to see where it says source src, and you're going to see 2 double quotation marks. But all you've got to do is go to where you uploaded the video, copy the URL to your clipboard, go back and paste it between the double quotation marks, and your mask will now work. Now great, so you've got this working mask, everything looks fine. What we're just going to do now is finish up. So you can simply go ahead to the mobile version and just tune down the size of the text here. So we don't want it to be so big on mobile. The mask will still work on mobile just fine. So something like that. On tablet, you can do the same if you'd like. Let's just go ahead and add the button to finish up this section of the website. So go ahead and add your button here. So if you go to the left hand side panel and drag in a button, put it below the heading in the order on the structure panel. And right now we'll just go to style and then center the button here. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the style. So with this button here in the police light colors to match the above mask style, to do this, I just used a gradient background with the red and blue colors here. To get it to flip, if you go to hover and then just reverse it by changing the angle here to 270 or something like that, this means when it's hovered, it will reverse like that. Now just to finalize it, if we go to the advanced, change it to a minus margin of maybe about 215, maybe less, about there. That looks good. So about -190 for us here. You're going to have something that looks pretty good. Updated the button with view latest stories here as our call to action. Now I'm going to hit publish here and then just check out that it's worked. So it's all looking good, right? So our second part to the hero section, just below it, how we have the crisscross crime scene scroll trigger. That is the section and the part I'm bringing to you next time. So if you would like to see that and know how to do that, again, I'll provide you everything for free. You've got to do is drop me a like and a sub on this video. Drop a comment too and let me know what you'd want to see. in future videos. Now, I do hope I've been able to help you get this mask up and running. Thank you again for watching, and I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time, guys.